am so excited to show you our new Cindwood booklet. This booklet will be shipping with every order and has easy access to important information such as how to create socks, our basic techniques, as well as a hat sizing guide. Other great things that are in this booklet are QR codes. And if you're not familiar with QR codes, it's a code that you can use your phone to take a picture of, and it goes straight to the website. Now this can usually be done just with your regular camera, or you can download a QR code app that will easily do it. And those are usually free. So we want to show you how to do that. It will take you to pages on our website that have video tutorials and other PDF tutorials that you can use when learning how to loom knit. When using a QR code, you open your camera and then you just hold it out so you can go over the QR code. Then click and it will take you directly to that website. This takes us to our beginner techniques and tutorials page, which will show videos on how to do the E-wrap, the U-knit, and the purl stitch, as well as more information on different products you can purchase and more tutorials. If you do not have a scanner through your phone on the camera, you can download an app called QR Tiger. It's a free app. And when you open the app and click scan, it will open up similar to a camera. You hold it over the QR code and it will open to that page. Now, these QR codes work with smartphones from any brand, and they work well when you want to use either a tablet or a smartphone to view our website. So if you get our little booklet and you happen to not own a tablet or a smartphone but want to visit some of our tutorial pages and see those videos, you can go to cindywoodlooms.com, and under the tab that says classes and tutorials, you will find all of the links that are in this booklet through the QR codes. So I hope that all of this information is super useful and that you enjoy our new booklet. Till next time, happy looming!